welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but we had a very busy summer. I even swam with dolphins. I got a few new things I wanted to share with you guys. Let's get to it. Two Cutie reveals, a big one and a small one, and then a color changing one. So I'm going to open them up on camera. I think I'm going to do this one first. Let's start with this one. Alright, I'm so excited. Let's do it. Okay, take the monkey out. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Dump it all out. I never opened one of these before, so I don't know what I'm doing. So, these instructions. This reminds me of Masked Singer. Take it off, da 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 done. Oh, who's this? Take her other suit off. Oh, the inside's bananas. Whoopsie. It looks like she got some bathing suit on. Ugh, that looks so hard. That's like when I saw other people open them and it looks so easy, but it's actually not. Oh, well, it's a bathing suit. Or workout clothes. I don't know what it is. This is so hard. Okay, a little bit of help from Mom, but that's okay. Okay, let's see what we got. So, cute little dish. Ooh, it's a sponge and a comb. See? Look. Barbie at the back. So then this one, here it is. Two sunglasses. Glasses. And comb. So then this one. Oh yeah. Ooh, a monkey. Anything else? Okay. And one more. Okay, this one. Oh my gosh. Clothes. Okay, these are pants. Now, where's the shirt? I guess she doesn't have a shirt. Let me dress my Barbie up. Okay. Pants. Where's the pants? There it is. It's hard to put these pants on. Let's put some shoes on. There we go. One shoe. Two shoe. Okay, let's put some sunglasses on. Ooh, that looks so cute. Now here's my Barbie. She got this comb. And this monkey. So the inside was bananas and that was actually her jacket. So let's put it on her. Okay. Whoops, glasses fell off. That's okay. It's so cute. I love it. I think this is already my favorite one, but I hadn't saw the other ones. It looks like her makeup changes. Okay. We put some cold water in here and let's see what changes. So I think it goes from this side to this side, or maybe. That's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. Man, they gypped us. It's not working. Not even a monkey. Yeah, see, the monkey's eyes is closed. It's supposed to open. And she's supposed to have pink snowflakes under her eyes. That's not showing anything. let's do another Cutie review. Hopefully it works this time. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, it's a lion. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. It kind of matches my outfit. One was zebra, so it can match my zebra face. So now it's all out. Okay, Barbie strips. I wonder who this is. I hope it's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh, look at shoes off first. I'm gonna this one, call it a Leo. Does look easy to open. I just opened like that. Okay. Oh, she has a little skirt. Maybe she's gonna be a ballerina. So let's open this one. Okay. Oh, it's a little lion. I hope this one works this time. I'm really excited for the clothes. Oh, it's a little Cinderella slipper. What? Oh, there it is. She's so cute. She looks like a ballerina. Maybe she is. She's a ballerina. Oh my gosh. She looks so cute. So, but we found out that the person doesn't actually color change. He does. But look, the eyes are not open. I hope these work. Or he or she, whatever it is. Maybe I'm doing this wrong, but I cannot get them to change. I hope this one works because this is an entire color changing Barbie. All right, let's see. Okay, this is a Barbie. But instructions, we don't need instructions. We might or we might. No. Okay, let's open this one first. Okay, so let's see what this one is. So it's rainbows. Maybe she's gonna be a rainbow one. Rainbows. So open this one. Gonna be a basketballer. Look, basketball first. And let's open this green bag. Okay, that's her shoes in here. They are tennis shoes. She's gonna be a basketballer. I hope so. Because it says I hope she color changed, but I'll see. And oh, she got a hat. I think there's something in here. Maybe not. That's just the paper. I did. Let's see. Oh, I can see her hair. Oh my gosh. She's covered in stars. She looks so cute. It looks like she already has makeup on. She has blue hair. Alright, let's stick her in and mix her around. I can see it. She's color changing. I think we keep her hair out the water. Looks like pink milk. Look, it's like a basketball jersey. I knew she was going to be a basketballer. Okay, smooth this pink milk out the way. Let's dress her up. And this is our cute basketballer. She looks so cute. So here we have it, my new friends. I can't wait to play with them, and I hope you guys enjoy watching, and bye.